Hello and welcome to this PRISMA tutorial. My name is Frederick from PRISMA Customer Care, and with this video I will start off a new series of tutorial videos regarding the competing auctions topic. Since this is a very complex topic, I will break it down into smaller pieces. I will start off by giving you a short introduction on the key things to know about competing auctions. In later videos, I will describe the differences between short-term and long-term competing auctions, and more specific and complex examples of competing auctions with a live example from the platform. So how are competing auctions created? Competing auctions take place at bundling points, where one network point in country or market zone A is bundled with two or more network points in country or market zone B. The platform then creates bundles according to the amount of bundling partners, for example the points AB and AC. This situation is called 1-to-N bundling. In terms of capacity, there are two possible options. Option 1 is that the single pipe on the one side has more capacity than the combined capacity of the multiple pipes on the other side. In this case, all capacity that can be bundled will be bundled, and the remaining capacity on side A is marketed as unbundled. Option 2 is that the single pipe is smaller than the combined capacity of the two other pipes. This is where competing auctions are taking place. How this looks in an auction on the PRISMA platform will be explained in the following videos. By the way, competing auctions on the platform are marked with a small warning sign. I hope I could provide you with helpful information, but if you have any further questions regarding this topic, please do not hesitate to contact the PRISMA Customer Care team. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.